Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today I have another home decor haul. You guys really enjoyed my last Homegoods haul, and I have been shopping at Homegoods, but I've also picked up a few pieces from Target, Marshalls, TJ Maxx, just wherever I find really cute things. Even at discounted prices. I've gotten really lucky with a few of these items, so I did want to show you guys those. But it has been a collective haul, like from a few weeks now, so if I don't find the link, I will be trying to link most of the pieces, but if I can't find the link, I am sorry about that. I will try to find similar items for you guys as well. But before we begin, if you guys are new to my channel, please be sure to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and also check out my Instagram where I post lots of outfit of the day content and a few home decor content. And without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Alright you guys, so starting off with my Target finds, the first one that I wanted to share was the little oil and vinegar dispenser. I just thought these were so cute. They were from the brand Hearth and Hand, and they were only $12.99, which I thought was a really good deal. I already filled them up like you can see, but I just really like the aesthetic of it all. You guys know I love wood accents, and I love that it's sitting on a little wood stand. It has the little outline here so the bottles are not just sliding off. I love that the containers are glass, see-through, and I also like the little dispensers here in the top are like this little brass tone, which actually match the wood here at the bottom, but I feel like they would also look really good if you have silver or gold accents in your kitchen, or even black. So I really like them. I thought they were really cute, chic, minimal, which is like the aesthetic that I'm going for right now. So I had to get these, and they were only $12.99. So I ended up picking up a second pair, a second set actually, because it does come with the stand. And I ended up using just the bottles for my coffee station. So I ended up filling one up with caramel, and then the other one I wanted to fill with my little vanilla syrup that I got. Just because I feel like it would match really pretty, not just with this set, but it would also just look really, really nice with the rest of my little coffee station. And it actually turned out really, really cute. Now you guys are thinking, well, what are you gonna do with the little wood stand? So I ended up repurposing the wood stand and using it as my little sink cleaning station. I still have my hand wash that I showed you guys before, but I ended up filling it up with dish soap. And then I found this one at Homegoods, and I ended up placing it, like I said, it does come with a little circle thing right here. So I ended up just placing it here, and I thought it looked really, really cute. Before I only had the little dispenser by the sink, and I thought it looked really lonely, so I ended up just repurposing the bottom. And then, like I said, I used the other bottles for the caramel and the vanilla, and it actually turned out really cute. So yeah, use what you have, repurpose, and just use it. You can use it however you like. Alright, so the next items that I found at Target were these really cute woven coasters. It comes 4 in the set, and they were only $11.99, which I thought was a really good deal as well. These are also by the Hearth and Hand with Magnolia brand, and everything from the brand just pretty much goes really nicely together. So I ended up snatching a few things, like the oil and vinegar sets, and then these as well. So I use these for my coffee. I use these when I'm drinking wine or when guests come over, and even when I'm not using them, I just kind of stack them up on top of each other and, you know, set them aside, and they just look really cute. So I'm obsessed with these, and I'm really, really happy I found them. I also ended up finding these really cute measuring spoons in the little aisle as soon as you walk in, like the dollar aisle, the $3 aisle. And these were $3. They are these little gold measuring spoons, and I haven't opened them up yet because I just bought them. But I thought they were so cute. Like, even for, sometimes I use them like either for coffee or just to have around like the kitchen. But they look like this. They have the different sizes here. It's like 4 different sizes, as you can see. But like I told you guys, I did want to have like a few gold accents in the kitchen, so I thought this would be perfect just to even have around the kitchen if I need to use it. And it does come engraved with the measurements here on the inside, so that's really cute. They still do have the zip ties, so I have to take those off, but I just thought they were really cute and minimal just to have around the kitchen. So at Target, they do actually have these really cute plates that I've been wanting, which are the like black matte plates. But I ended up finding some very similar at Marshall's. It's a pair for $5.99, and lately I've just been wanting to have like a black set of plates in the kitchen. I think they look really cute, especially with like the food inside. It just really brings out the colors of the food and just the texture. And we have the white quartz countertop, so I didn't want to get more white. I just feel like the plates are just gonna end up blending into the countertop, so I kind of wanted to do something different, and I thought that having the matte black will look really chic. And so I found these two. I'm still on the hunt for the smaller ones and even the bowls, but I thought since I've just found these already, why not get them? Like I said, they were $5.99, and I believe Target has some like these. I can't remember how much they are, but if anything, I can just always go to Target and get the rest of the set. But I had to get these. These are really cute, and I'm excited to take pictures with my food. I know it sounds a little weird, but I like to cook and I like to take pictures of, you know, the dishes that I make. So I'm excited to start using these for breakfast, dinner, or they're also large enough for like serving dishes where you can have, you know, some kind of dish in here and have people serve out of them. So yeah, I'm excited to use these. Okay, so continuing with the matte black accents, I wanted to show you guys the little candle accessories that I found at Marshall's. It came in these 2 little containers. They were in the candle aisle, and it's these 2. One of them is the wick trimmer, and the other one is the candle accessories tray. So these are really good for your candles, of course, but they're also really cute as decoration. So not only do they help, you know, your candles last longer, at least the wick trimmer, these are really good to just trim your wicks, and it allows your candles to last a lot longer. But I just also think it looks really cute sitting on top of your coffee table or right next to your little candles. Thought that would be cute. And the wick trimmer was only $7.99, and then the candle accessories tray was also $7.99, so $15 for both of these. The tray looks like this. The only thing about the tray that I didn't really like was that it had the brand right here, and it's by DW Home. Another thing I kind of didn't like was that, you know, once you set the wick trimmer on top of the tray, it kind of blends into each other, so I didn't really like that. I wanted just probably the candle trimmer just to sit on top of something and it stand out, because once you put it in, it kind of just, like I said, blends in, and you don't really see what's on top of it. So I ended up repurposing this tray as well, and I ended up, you know, using it in my restroom and just setting I ended up using the sprays that I'll show you guys in a bit, and I set it on top in the restroom, and it all matched really nicely together, so I just ended up leaving it. But if anything, you could always just use it for its original purpose, which is for the wick trimmer. All right, so what I was talking about earlier that I had on top of the black tray were actually the little Zara Home spray. This is actually a linen spray, and I found these at Marshall's for $4.99. I ended up looking them up on the Zara website, and they were almost $20, I believe. So I ended up stocking up on these, and I got 4. I also have one in my car. But not only do these smell really good, I just feel like the bottle is really chic, minimal, and it ends up going with the rest of my decor with the black accents. So yeah, I stocked up on these. They did have other colors. They had the pink and the other flavors, the green. I can't remember which ones they were, but this one is the black vanilla, and it smells really nice. So I just end up spraying my linens, my couch. Sometimes I just end up spraying it all over the carpet too, just so it can just smell really nice, and it does. And I also ended up finding the Zara Home scented candles, and these also just smell so good. This is also in the black vanilla, but I also ended up getting the white jasmine, and this one smells really nice. These are the little cards that you can just put anywhere. You can tuck inside your car, you can hang on a doorknob. I have them hanging on my restroom doorknob, and I have them hanging also in my living room doorknob, and they just make the room smell so nice. They look really cute, I think. Let me try and take one out so you guys can see. And I ended up looking these up as well on the Zara website, and I think they were $20 as well, or a little bit less. But this is what they look like. Just a white Zara Home print. I don't know if you guys can catch that. Baby!
Can I say hi to your fans?
Yes.
Hi guys.
So yeah, like I said, you can have these on the door, you can put them in your car, or I think they're meant to like put like under your linens as well. And they smell so good. All right, so the next piece I ended up finding at Marshall's as well, but I had saw this one originally at Homegoods, and the first time, I don't know why I didn't get it. I think I ended up finding this one actually that's on my bed, and this one is more of a true white. It's like a really it's just really white, and this one is actually more of a beige, but I feel like I like this material better. This one is a little bit more rough and has more texture, whereas this one is just really super soft, and it looks a little bit more luxurious. So I found this one. It's by Vince Camuto, and it is $19.99, and it is the chenille fringe throw. It does have the little fringe here at the bottom, and I just felt like I liked the color. I think it could go anywhere in your house. You can throw it on top of your couch, you can throw it over your bed, which is what I was originally gonna do, throw it on top of the bed, but I ended up liking how this one looked better on top of the bed. So I ended up doing this one and putting this one in the living room, which I also like because I just feel like the colors and just this texture goes a lot better with the couch that I have in the living room. So I was really happy with this one. It was $19.99, so I thought that was a really good deal, and it just feels so nice. All right, you guys, and last but not least, I wanted to show you guys my most recent and probably my favorite find of all. These huge beautiful mirrors. You can't really see them. I'm gonna show you guys how I want to set them up. Actually, I had originally planned on buying two large mirrors to put on the side, like right here where I have the other one actually, and then here on the other side I wanted 2 long mirrors, but every time I looked them up they were super expensive. It's more of like a Restoration Hardware inspo. I know they do that a lot with large mirrors on the side of the bed, and I just love how that looks. So like I said, I've been looking around, especially online, for some good mirrors that I could put, and sometimes I would end up finding just one at HomeGoods that I liked, and I wasn't even crazy about them, but I was just like, well, maybe I can try it out. But when I ended up finding these, I was like, I have to get them. They are by the brand Modern by JT Rose, and this is a 16 by 48 inch mirror, and it is more like a long oval rectangle. I don't know, like the edges are curved, and we're still needing like our little side end tables, but I feel like once we have those and I set these on top, you scared me, they're gonna look really cute just on top. So I'm waiting for Chris to hang those up for me. But yeah, these were only $39. Baby, I hate you. Close the door. So these were only $39.99, and it says compare at $60. Well, we all know that's a lie. They're probably a lot more expensive because just mirrors are already expensive, and if you find good substantial ones like this one, this is just a large mirror, they're usually a lot more expensive. But yeah, I love this one, and I also like that it has the gold trim because that's what originally what I wanted. I was either going for a black or gold trim, but I just feel like I have so much black that I wanted to do something different. And yeah, I was real happy that I found the gold trim. All right, you guys, well, that was it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this collective haul. Like I said, I've been kind of buying things here and there throughout the last couple of weeks. So I wanted to show you guys these new pieces. I will be trying to link as many as possible down in the description box, so definitely check that out. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe if you are new, and I will see you guys next time I upload.